All right, we've made it to hump day on this week, and we have some changes going on in our weather as we speak. We do have, as we look off over Moorhead, Minnesota, a batch of clouds and showers. Here's a cloud, and there is a shower where you can see no light down by the ground. And then behind me, after a little bit of a reprieve in the shower, there's another one making its way across the scene. And some of these contain snow, so you get in that little bit of ice here and there, particularly in our northern counties. 42 on the ground, so how does stuff that is frozen make its way all the way down to the ground? Well, it has to do from between the cloud and the ground what that temperature is. Cold enough for snow up there at cloud level, but oftentimes it melts when temperatures are as warm as 42. But as you saw on our tower cam here moments ago, a little bit of ice making its way very close to the surface here in Fargo, 41 Grand Forks, 38 Thief River Falls. Right now in Bemidji, 38 degrees, and Gwinner, you have 45 with 1 degree cooler weather this hour in Jamestown. The wind is strongest where you see the map highlighted with the bright colors here, 37-mile-per-hour gusts over the Devil's Lake Basin. A lot of our area, after doing a perusal of the DOT cams, both in North Dakota and Minnesota, beginning to free the ground of snow. But we're getting some hit and miss snow showers. Right now, as we take a look, rain southward, temperatures are a little warmer. Better chance of a few snow showers making their way through parts of northern Becker County now, moving in towards Detroit Lakes. So as you go up north in toward the Park Rapids area, we're seeing some flurries of snow. As we look up into the Devil's Lake Basin, batches of snow that are crossing through the region as well. And here is a look at the big picture. We have our unsettled weather here caused by cold air moving up over the top of us, and that's making our atmosphere a little unstable, but it's less stable still as we go through the Great Lakes and into the mid-Atlantic states where severe weather once again for the second straight day is occurring. Here is your forecast for this evening. The wind continues, although there may be a little bit of a let up in our northern communities. We're talking about 15 to 25 miles per hour, and a few of us with gusts higher than that all evening long. The shower chances will become more sparse as we go into the evening, but overnight they kind of return. We're going to have passing snow showers here and there. And look at the wind, bright and yellow. That means 25 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts on Hutch's map here. Temperatures to start our day, most of us in the 20s. So wind chills with winds that fast will be in the single digits to start your day. A windy one once again. But by the late afternoon, we'll start to see a little bit more sunshine in our western counties. But notice, once again, it looks like a fairly cool day with at best temperatures making their way towards 40 degrees in our far southern counties. And that is all. Mid-30s up north, 36 in Roseau, 37 for Wadena and Bemidji. Wahpeton, you'll have 38 degrees. Just a beautiful scene here at the church, the Lutheran Church. Mary, thanks for sharing this with that full pink moon over the top. And we do have some good news. After we have another windy and cool day tomorrow with passing showers of snow into the morning hours, then it looks like we start rebounding. Friday back to near 50 degrees in Fargo, and it looks like we'll be similarly warm across the entire region all the way into Saturday. On your Easter Sunday, another cold burp of air makes its way out of Canada. We're going to be in the 30s as we start next week. In fact, low to mid 30s for some of us. It's going to be a cool start to next week. That slows down the melt a little bit, but we've got a lot of water on the way. I'll have a look at some of those river gauges later in the show.
All right, thanks, Hutch.